You're back. You're back. There you guys are. I missed you guys so much. Where have you guys been? It's been such a long time since I've seen you guys. You've been in my life since before I was even born. Since before I was even a twinkle in my dad's eye. You're back. I missed you guys so much. Now, what do you guys have to say about yourselves? You're not gonna leave like that again, are you? No, siree. You're not gonna go away like that again. You've been a part not just of my life, but everybody else's lives since the beginning of time. No. No. I got 4 words for you guys. Get it in my belly.
Hallelujah.